Start by unzipping the bag and removing the base. Next, remove the support bars located in the back of the base and set them aside. On the bottom of this base, you will find a black foot. Rotate it 90 degrees and set it on the floor. Now take your support bars and connect them together to form the support pole. Take the metal part of the pole and place it fully into the hole on top of the base. Next, place your foot on the base's foot and roll the banner up. Connect the banner's top rail to the black connecting piece on the support pole. You can connect our roll-up lights by placing the end of the light inside the support pole.